Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Type c:, then hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c:/ bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Type attrib c:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space c:/boot/bcd space bcd.olg, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.